Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss the test paper solution, video solution for test paper 11, NEET biology. So question number one, duct leading, duct leading from parotid gland and opening into vestibule is. So one का आंसर होगा B. Okay, तो that is Stenson's duct. Okay, पैंक्रियाज प्रोड्यूसेस. सो पैंक्रियाज में क्या निकलता है? तो बी इज़ द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स एंड 2 हार्मोन्स. दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर. So option B. Question number 3. Digestive system is given and you need to identify the organs which are numbered. So 3 का आंसर होगा A, that is parotid gland, pancreas and vermiform appendix. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. The layer of alimentary canal which is formed by smooth muscles usually arranged into inner circular and outer longitudinal layer is. तो this is fourth का आंसर होगा A, muscularis. Okay, muscularis. Then question number 5. Which of the following groups contain only peptide hormones? तो 5 का आंसर again A will be there. Gastrin, secretin, erythropoietin and cholecystokinin. Okay. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, तो question number 6 is which of the following statements hold true? तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? ओके, तो 6 का सही स्टेटमेंट होगा बी. Partial pressure of CO2 is high and partial pressure of O2 is low in tissue, more binding of carbon dioxide will occur. Okay, so that is correct. Question number 7, straightway answer. Which of the following layers of alimentary canal in human form crypts of Langerhans? Okay, तो Langerhans, Labyrinth. तो that was 7 का ऑप्शन होगा बी, that is mucosa. Okay. And question number 8, find out the correctly matched pair. Okay, so A will be correct, that is pepsinogen chief cells. Okay. Okay, now moving to next question, that is question number 9. So 9 का vital capacity of lungs is, so D will be correct option. 10. Which of the following statements is correct is incorrect? तो 10 का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी. इंस्पिरेटरी इज अ वॉल्यूम एवरेजेस 1000 ml to 1100 ml, वो गलत है. ओके. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ स्टेप इन ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेशन? ओके, तो 11 का डी विल बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन. यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ CO2 बाय द सेल्स फॉर कैटाबॉलिक रिएक्शन. Question number 12. Oh, sorry. Okay, I had not changed the paper page. Okay, so we discussed question number 9. Okay, तो 9 का आंसर होगा D. Okay, question number 10. 10 का आंसर होगा B. Then question number 11, उसका भी आंसर होगा D. And now we are talking about question number 12. तो पैंक्रियाटिक जूस कंटेंट्स, तो बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ट्रिप्सिनोजेन, अमाइलेज, लाइपेज एंड न्यूक्लियस. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 नाउ, दैट इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एंजाइम एंटेरोकाइनेज हेल्प्स इन द कन्वर्शन ऑफ. तो 13 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी, दैट इज ट्रिप्सिनोजेन इनटू ट्रिप्सिन. ओके. Then question number 14, the lining of intestinal wall from outside to inside is made up of. तो 14 का B will be correct. Longitudinal muscle, circular muscle, submucosa and mucosa. Then question number 15, tidal volume during normal respiration is approximately. Okay, तो A will be correct option, 500 ml. Then 16, ओके, डायग्राम को पहचानना है, लेबल करना है. ओके, तो 16 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन ए, सिस्टिक डक्ट, हेपेटोपैंक्रियाटिक डक्ट. ओके. 17, ओके, फिर से डायग्राम. ओके, तो यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द लेयर्स ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन. तो 17 का सही जवाब होगा ए, सेरोसा, मस्कुलरिस, सबम्यूकोसा एंड म्यूकोसा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 का स्ट्रेटवे आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, बोथ स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 का again option A will be correct one. Okay, A is the correct one. Moving to question number 20. Okay, तो गिवन फिगर इज ऑफ ह्यूमन लैरिंग्स. ओके, तो वर्टिकल सेक्शन दिया हुआ है, तो लेबल करना है पार्ट्स को. तो 20 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन बी. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. ओके, तो 21 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन डी. ऑप्शन डी. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. सिलेक्ट इनकरेक्ट पेयर. ओके, तो 22 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन डी, पेप्सिन फैट्स. दैट इज रॉन्ग. 23 का करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ए, 40 mm of Hg, partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the alveoli. Then 24. Okay, emphysema is a condition resulting from. Okay, तो 24 का सही जवाब होगा ए. ओके, सिगरेट स्मोकिंग, क्योंकि एम्फिसेमा दैट इज क्रॉनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिसीज, COPD बोलते हैं, कॉज ड्यू टू सिगरेट स्मोकिंग. Question number 25. In the gastrointestinal tract, the Meissner plexus and the Auerbach plexus occur respectively in the. तो 25 का सही जवाब होगा बी, submucous and muscularis externa. 26. HCl in the stomach provides. Okay, तो एक तो pH 1.8. Okay, and that is required for acidic pH for pepsin. Okay, so C will be correct answer. Okay, 27 A will be correct answer. 28 D will be correct option. 29 straightway B will be correct option. 30 का correct answer will be D again. Okay, then 31 again A will be correct option. Okay, now moving to question number 32. So D will be correct option. 33 statement 1 and 2, so option B will be correct option. 34 again D will be correct, that is pharynx, common passage for food and air. 35 glottis is the opening present in between. Okay, तो 35 का correct option होगा option C, laryngopharynx and larynx. Okay, then 36 alveoli are lined by. Okay, so 36 right option will be C, squamous epithelium. 37 correct option will be A, duodenum, blood capillaries and lacteals. Okay, question number 38. Read the following statement. Okay, so 38 का D will be right option. Okay, 39 again 39 straightway answer will be A, correct option 1, 2 and 3. Then question number 40. Asthma is characterized by. Okay, so asthma A. Okay, spasm in bronchial muscle, that will be correct. Then 41. Which of the following statement is wrong? Okay, तो 41 का सही जवाब होगा D, expiratory center lies in pons and inspiratory center lies in medulla, that is wrong one. 42 A will be correct option, somatostatin. And 43 का correct answer होगा option D. Okay, all the above. Now moving to next question, that is question number 44. तो 44 का C will be right option, right bronchus 3, left bronchus and 2. 45 question number 45 correct answer will be option D. 46 in man and mammals air passes from outside into lungs through. तो 46 का correct answer is D, nasal cavity से pharynx, pharynx से larynx, फिर trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Okay, 47. So 47 again option B will be correct one. 48 the correct option will be D. Then 49. Okay, which of the following is an example of occupational lung disorder? Okay, तो 49 का सही जवाब है A, silicosis and asbestosis. इंडस्ट्री में ज़्यादा काम करने वालों के साथ ये होता है, स्मॉल फाइबर्स दे गेट trapped into the lung. Okay. 50. Question number 50. B will be right answer. Okay. Then 51. 51. Which of these is a active process? Okay. तो 51 का सही जवाब होगा A, inspiration. Then 52. Find out the correctly matched pair. So B will be right option. Okay. 53. 53 का straight answer D is the right option. 54, again correct option is B. Then 55, dental formula for human milk teeth. Okay, तो below 14 का, तो 55 का आएगा A, 20 total. And 56, which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, तो 56 will be D. So now we are going to discuss about question number 57. तो 57 का सही जवाब होगा option B. Then 58, select the mismatched pair out of the following. तो 58 में mismatched pair is option D. Then 59, which of the following statement is correct regarding inspiration in human beings? Okay, तो 59 का again correct option will be D. Then 60, in the resting person, saturation of hemoglobin as blood leaves the tissue capillaries is approximately. Okay, so 60 का A will be correct option, 75%. Then 61, match the following. Okay, so 61 again A will be correct option. Then 62, okay, in the tissues high concentrations of carbon dioxide. Okay, so 62, the correct option will be C. Question number 63. Okay, which of the following is not the function of liver? Okay, तो liver का कौन सा function नहीं है? तो secretion of somatostatin hormone, that is not the function of this liver. 64, action of proteolytic enzymes on proteins mainly forms. Okay, तो 64 A will be correct. Then 65 का correct option B होगा. Then 66, jaundice is caused due to abnormal. Okay, so 66 A will be correct, bilirubin metabolism. 67, figure is given, so 67 C will be correct option. 68, which of the following organ is associated with Gleason's capsule? Okay, तो Gleason capsule covering कहाँ पर होता है? तो D, liver is the correct answer. Then 69, hypoxia correspond to, again it is a breathing disorder, so hypoxia 69 C will be correct, deficiency of oxygen in body tissues. Then 70, in the stomach mechanically food is broken into smaller particles by. Okay, so 70 का सही जवाब है A, churning movement. 71, vitamin B deficiency causes. Okay, C will be right. C is right option. Moving to question number 72, select incorrect match. So 72 C will be incorrect match. 73, straightway 73 का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर D. Then 74, direct answer again D, all of these. 75, fluid that reduces friction between lungs during the breathing. Okay, so definitely it is none other than A, pleural fluid. Okay, 76 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन C. 77, एम्फीसीमा, तो 77 करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज B. नेक्स्ट 78, cystic vein directly opens in the hepatic portal vein and drains blood from. तो cystic vein से related question है, तो 78 का B will be right option, gallbladder. Okay, next moving to question number 79, which of the following statement is correct regarding the trypsin? तो trypsin के बारे में सही statement कौन सा है? तो 79 C will be correct, it is a protease in the intestine. 80 का डायरेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी. 81 again, 81 D will be right option, that is 1600 mm. Okay, and 82 82 A will be right option, more surface area for diffusion of gases. Okay, so that is the minute alveoli. So 83 again, figure is given and you need to label the parts. Okay, so 83 बहुत ही simple है. A 83 A will be correct. 84 X is the volume of air that can be exhaled forcefully after a normal inspiration, so X could be. Okay, so 84 D will be right option, expiratory capacity. Okay, moving to next question, that is question 85. To maintain ionic balance during the transportation of gases, chloride ion shift from. Okay, so A will be right option, plasma to RBC. 86 during autocatalytic reaction in the stomach. ओके, तो स्टमक से रिलेटेड तो पेप्सिन एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, तो पेप्सिनोजेन टू पेप्सिन. 87 अमाउंट ऑफ CO2 इन एक्सपायर्ड एयर इज अबाउट. ओके, तो कंटेंट ऑफ CO2 इन एक्सपायर्ड एयर, तो सी विल बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन, 4.5%. 88 डायरेक्ट आंसर विल बी डी, ऑप्शन डी. 89 again figure related, so 89 का correct option will be C, movement of air out of the lung. And 90 last question, option C will be correct. Okay, so thank you so much.